it was worth it to wait 5 minutes or 10 for this enamel. So, pause. So, here I am. I gave this enamel enough time, about half an hour. I cleaned this a little bit and I decided that I may use this for a beautiful background, because we got as much as we got. We won't for sure get nothing more reaction, so it's a beautiful painting to be like this. I decided that I will do something here, so maybe I could play a little bit and use this really as a nice background, because it seems to me that this could be a beautiful background. So, what we can do here, this is enamel in here and it's drying really quickly, so I'm not quite sure how this would look like with the hairdryer blowout, so maybe I could play a little bit, and I could play a little bit, maybe at this side and this part, or this yellow part. Should I use this yellow part? Would it be mostly cover this part? Maybe at this part, even though I love this part, I adore this part. Maybe I could play here. This is a phthalo green. Yellow green. I could swipe a little bit. Why didn't I swipe a little bit? I could use a white. I could use gold too. I could use gold too. I could use this cobalt blue. Let's see, maybe this will be really interesting. A cobalt blue. I could use some gold now. Again, phthalo green. Maybe a bit of turquoise. Should I use the yellow? Why not? Oh, I opened the window and look at this. While I was at the other room, he came here Oh, you can't believe this. I mustn't open the window, even if it's cold outside. Outside is really cold. And they are still flying at this coldness. Is that sign that I don't use this yellow? I will use it. This is going to be too much pain because I'm going from the corner. I should use a torch. I have a lot of bubbles here. Now I should use, I'm not quite sure, this has enamel. Let's try. Let's see, maybe it won't hurt with this enamel. White with this enamel, so I could put a little bit of this one too now. And which one should we use now? I love so much potato. No, I really do. I really do. Bubbles, bubbles. This is what did I say last time? Emerald, it should be, and we will put some gold. Too much. I'm just playing now. I will like to. Should I put some potato? Why not? Oh, Sonia, you are really playing so much. So, this is really crazy. And now I have to put this, I have to lift this to protect this side, because this will go, this will really fly. This will really fly. So, we should play a little bit of flick. That was a, oh, what a swirl, beautiful swirl. That was a beautiful swirl. Whoop. You don't know how beautiful swirls I got there. I shouldn't press my finger here, but I did. Oh, I didn't do it well. Good. it's better now. Okay, where else should we repeat? At this part. I should do it at this part. Good. So, we still have at this part. Should I do something here about this? About this? Oh. About this? About this maybe a little bit. We have a little bit here. And at this part we have, a little bit for to spread. So this look beautiful. Should I try to get more? Let me see how much paint is here. Maybe I could make another one like this. Whoa. Whoa. I should keep my finger. I should try to move this paint there. It won't go. Like this. Okay. Now it's okay, but I'm wondering if this paint should come here. I should help it. I don't want the place because I scraped too much. So I will help this paint to come here. I will press a little bit and wait for a paint to come here. And I'm wondering, should I do something with this middle? Okay, paint came here, covered this. I should spin this a little bit. Let me see about the space. Oh, you should see what a beautiful swirls I got here. Oh, I should pick this. I have to pick this, that I may clean this. I don't want it to dry too much, too quickly. And look at this, what a beautiful paint is here. Look. Should I do something like oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. What a swirl I got here. You can't believe this. And where else did they go? have somewhere else, or I pick up everything. I will pick up all this paint. I may use it for this flower. I just need to pick up this. Oh, what a beautiful. God, this is gorgeous. This is really gorgeous. I will play a little bit with this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. And this will react, by the way. We have paint here. Oh, we have paint here too. Look at this. I didn't see that before. Interesting. Let's use this. Let's use this paint. Good. Now we will spin this a little bit. I just need to clean this. We will spin this a little bit. We will spin this a little bit. I will use a torch. I will use a torch just to, I need to clean this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let's see what we will get here. But I will tell you one thing, that I like it. I like it a lot. Oh yes, I said that I should think about this middle. What should I do at this middle? I should do something about this middle. Let me think about it. It's not a bad, but I should do something. And where is my balloon? That is the question now. Where is my balloon? I have one here. So maybe I could press a little bit at the middle. Good. I like it now. I like it now. And I will use this here. Like here. Doesn't matter. We could use this. 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 Let me pick up a little bit more. will do one more. Oh, this one is too big, I shouldn't. I pressed too much, I shouldn't. So let's see if we may correct this. We should correct this. I don't want it to be too dark. Okay, it's much better now. It's much better now. So I will add just a little bit. Just a little bit, and I just took it too much. Good, I like it now. And we should correct this one. I need to pick up too much paint. Okay, let's try. Too much paint. Good. Too much paint is too much. But we will correct this. Okay. I like it now. And I need to make one here, but I need to pick up the rest of the paint. Too much paint. Here I have still dark color. Let's try do it. Good, I like it. And we will spin this now. We will spin this now. And we will torch this. Yes. Okay, the middle is good. Maybe a little bit more at this part. Now it's much better. It's much better now. Should I add some here? Good. I won't touch anymore. And let's do it quickly. Let's torch this. I don't have to spin it, but I will. I want to see how it's gonna look like. How it's gonna look like. Let me check about the space. I still have a space there. So I should move this a little bit and we are finished with the painting. I will show you closer. Let me check about this side. Okay, let's do it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit that this flower may spread nicely. Layer the paint. But we spread it enough. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. One more time. Okay, enough. 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 We won't distract this too much. Good. at this part, and I would like to correct this part a little bit. It looks much better now. Oh, I love this part. So, all I need to do now is to correct one more needle, because we moved everything there. Good, good, enough. Oh, ho, 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 ho. And this is interesting, like leather, and at the same time it looks like the hand of the sword. And those swirls, beautiful. I will show you close up now. I will show you close up. I will just pick up this. I will pick up this paint. I may drip around. Okay, I'll show you close up now. We still have a little bit here. Okay, oh, I just dig in this. Good. Good. So, torch. Okay, so we got a beautiful painting. I think it's really beautiful. It is really beautiful. Where is this mine? Maybe some wispies if we make to some parts. Some wispies. Okay, we don't need it here. Maybe here. Good. Maybe at this part. Hopefully this paint will come here. It will. Good. Okay. Then I may be quite sure. Good. I will show you close up. We got a really, really nice painting. And I like it really. I will show you close up now. Torch. I need the torch. I see the bubbles. So, this is it. Let me show you close up. Well, maybe we may watch it from this side. But I like it the way I made it from this side. So, let's see part by part. And I already see that you can't see the right colors. I don't know why, what's going on. But I see that colors are not as they should be. So, this is our flower, flick and spin. Those are swirls. I adore swirls. Look how long this swirl is. Look at those. They are so beautiful. I got a lot of swirls on my working table, but those are really, 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 really beautiful swirls. So, this is our little flower. So, this is it. This is our painting tonight. In the green colors. And I'm sad because I already see that. I don't know why, what's going on. I should check if there's something maybe mess around, because I see that you can't see the right, right color of the painting. So this is it. I think it's beautiful. I don't know how much you may see. One more. I won't lift it now. I will leave it like this. It may stay on this and dry on this, but this is really, really nice practicing canvas. And it's not bad. This enamel, it's not bad. I see that spinning now, when I spun this, I see that this enamel reacted. So maybe he needs something to move. But I see that there are much bigger little clouds. So this is our flower. This is our playing time, practicing time. So I will give a chance to this enamel, and I will try this one more time. So we will see. Wish you all to have a beautiful day or night, wherever you are, from beautiful Slovenia. Bye-bye.